The thing is, for most people, change is a scary thing because we don't know what will happen. Hey, it's Jon Orana here again, and I'll share with you guys today my favorite quote ever. And sabi ron, that insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. So some people say it was a quote by Einstein, but I'm not sure. But whoever said that is very, 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 very powerful quote, guys. Because whether you would like to launch a business or you would like to pay off your debt, so bayaran mo yung utang mo, or you want to lose weight, okay? You cannot change the results. So let's just say you want to pay off your debt. Common sense, guys. You cannot have the same spending habits and hoping na mababayaran mo yung utang mo. Same thing with entrepreneurship. You cannot do the same strategy and tactics hoping, okay, things will change. If you want to lose weight, it's the same thing. You cannot eat the same food, the same amount, the same physical activities, and then hope, okay, that papayat ka or gaganda yung katawan mo. That's not how it's gonna work, right? So in what we do, say, in life, if you want to grow your income, if you want to multiply, if you really experience that freedom, the financial freedom na lagi nating naririnig, you guys are hearing from me often. If you really want to experience that, you gotta change what you're doing right now. The thing is, for most people, change is a scary thing, right? Because we don't know what will happen. Or for some naman, they tried it many times, it never worked for them. So now they don't want to go through that pain any longer. So they just giving up their dreams. Actually, a lot of people. You can easily say that because a lot of people decided to live an average life. A lot of entrepreneurs decided not to grow anymore because they don't want to go through the changes. But you and I know, you're watching this video. If you watch many of my videos, you're a smart person. You know that success won't happen if you keep doing the same thing over and over and over again. If you want a dramatic result in what you do, you have to give up that comfort zone that you are in. You have to get out of that. And my best advice is go surround your people, go surround yourself rather with people who have bigger dreams and ambition, who can understand your journey. Because I told you guys, even the friends that you love, and maybe you have some relatives that you love, sure, I'm not saying that you leave them, but maybe it is about time to find a new set of friends that will empower you, that will encourage you, that will make you believe in yourself again, that will make you think, maybe mali ako dun sa mga ilang paniniwala ko sa buhay. Because remember, guys, the beliefs that we have in our lives, for the most part, we learn it when we were growing up. Nung bata tayo, we learn it from our mom, from parents, aunties, and brothers, and basically environment that you are in. Now, whether we like it or not, in as much as we respect them, some beliefs that we used to have, or maybe even up to now, doesn't empower you. So you have to know what are those beliefs, and you have to question yourself, is this even true? Right? So one of those beliefs that I have in mind was yung about money, because I grew up in a Christian family, pretty much, in most high school and college, in a Christian church, and there are so many misinterpretation about money, about wealth. But generally speaking, it's like, okay, if you get wealthy, you gotta get greedy, you're not gonna go to heaven, and all those things. Okay, now they may not say it directly, or yeah, but baka hindi mo alam eh. You may not be aware that you're actually living those beliefs that limiting you. And I gotta tell you guys about money. I know it's been a long story for you guys, but it is hard for you to experience that wealth, that financial freedom, if you see that being wealthy will turn you into this evil, bad, greedy person. Again, guys, thank you for watching. I hope there's something that you'll think about. Thank you for watching. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.